Segmenting subscribers based on demographics. Segmenting based on age, gender, location, and other demographic factors. Understanding demographics is an essential aspect of marketing. By segmenting subscribers based on age, gender, location, and other demographic factors, businesses can tailor their marketing strategies and deliver more personalized messages to specific target audiences. In this tutorial, we will explore the different ways to segment subscribers based on demographics and understand the importance of this segmentation in improving marketing effectiveness. Segmenting subscribers based on demographics allows businesses to understand their target audience better and create more targeted marketing campaigns. It enables them to deliver the right message to the right people at the right time. Here are some key reasons why demographic segmentation is crucial. A. Personalization. By understanding the demographic details of subscribers, businesses can create personalized content that resonates with their specific interests, needs, and preferences. B. Targeted marketing. Demographic segmentation helps businesses target their marketing efforts to specific groups, optimizing resources and increasing the likelihood of success. C. Improved customer satisfaction. By delivering personalized marketing messages, businesses can enhance the customer experience, leading to increased satisfaction and loyalty. D. Better campaign performance. Segmentation based on demographics allows businesses to measure the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns more accurately and make data-driven decisions for future improvements. There are various demographic factors that businesses can consider for segmenting their subscribers. While age, gender, and location are commonly used, there are other factors worth exploring. A. Age. Age segmentation divides subscribers into groups based on their age ranges. This helps cater to different generational preferences and interests. B. Gender. Segmenting subscribers based on gender allows businesses to create marketing messages that resonate with specific genders or customize product offerings based on gender-related preferences. C. Location. Location-based segmentation enables businesses to target subscribers in specific regions, cities, or even neighborhoods. This is particularly useful for localized marketing efforts. D. Income. Segmenting based on income can help businesses tailor their marketing strategies based on the purchasing power and spending habits of different income levels. E. Education. Segmenting based on education level allows businesses to create content that matches the educational backgrounds and information needs of different subscriber groups. F. Occupation. Occupation-based segmentation helps businesses understand the professional interests and needs of different subscriber segments, allowing for more targeted marketing. G. Marital status. Segmenting based on marital status can be valuable for businesses targeting couples, singles, or families, as their needs and preferences may vary. H. Interests. By analyzing subscriber interests and hobbies, businesses can create targeted campaigns that align with their subscribers' passions and preferences. To effectively segment based on demographics, businesses need accurate and updated demographic data. Here are some methods to collect this data. A. Subscription forms. Include fields for age, gender, location, and other relevant demographic data in subscription forms to capture this information directly from subscribers. B. Surveys. Conduct surveys to gather demographic information from your existing subscriber base. Offering incentives for completing surveys can encourage participation. C. Social media analytics. Utilize social media platforms to obtain demographic insights about your followers and subscribers. D. Purchase history. Analyze purchase history to gather information about subscribers' preferences and spending patterns, which may indirectly provide demographic insights. E. Data enrichment services. Consider using data enrichment services to enhance your subscriber database with additional demographic data. Once you have collected the necessary demographic data, it's time to segment your subscribers accordingly. Most email marketing platforms offer segmentation features that allow you to filter and group subscribers based on different demographic criteria. Here are some ideas for segmenting based on demographics. A. Age-based segmentation. Create age-specific content or promotions to target different generational groups. B. Gender-based segmentation. Tailor marketing messages to resonate with specific gender preferences or offer gender-specific product recommendations. C. Location-based segmentation. Customize marketing campaigns based on different locations to target subscribers in specific regions or cities. D. Combination segmentation. Use a combination of demographic factors to create more granular segments. For example, targeting females between the ages of 25-35 who live in urban areas. E. A/B testing. Continuously test different segmentation strategies to determine which demographics respond best to specific marketing campaigns. Conclusion: segmenting subscribers based on age, gender, location, and other demographic factors is an effective strategy to personalize marketing messages and improve campaign performance. By understanding the importance of demographic segmentation and implementing the methods discussed in this tutorial, businesses can enhance their marketing effectiveness and better engage with their target audience. Remember to continuously analyze and update your demographic data to ensure accurate segmentation and optimize your marketing efforts.